So when asked what is my go-to color scheme for a new kitchen remodel, I always say that that is the wrong question, because remember, ultimately is not about trends, it's about the individual selection for the particular home, for the particular client. And it doesn't have to be that it's $1 million home. It literally has to do with the layout, the best colors that I feel it fits your likes, the remaining of the house, and etc. But if I am to absolutely have to point colors to that would be my go-to, I will say that a classic of two-tone kitchen is very well used, in which one is some kind of an off-white, and the second one, it will be natural stain, natural wood, to get back to the roots of Kansas Cityan, because the truth is, in here, people love wood. So as long as they have the element of the richness and well-made product of the wood and the wood stain, they absolutely feel comfortable. So short, off-white, and stain.